How will you spend New Year's Eve in Taipei?
I always go downtown to watch the fireworks at Taipei 101 on New Year's Eve. There is a 6-hour concert in front of City Hall with a fireworks show at midnight at Taipei 101.
How long do the fireworks last?
Last year's show was 6 minutes long. It was a dazzling display of pyrotechnics and lights set to music.
That sounds amazing! I've never watched a live fireworks show before.
I'm going to a New Year's party at a friend's apartment downtown. He has a great view of Taipei 101 from his rooftop. Why don't you come with me?
That sounds fun. I'd love to come. New Year's fireworks. New Year's fireworks. Pyrotechnics. Pyrotechnics.
Dazzling. Dazzling. Rooftop. Rooftop.